Premtobre Kasee no so na leader wono na da occupy JULORBIHOUSE demonstrators ano Oliver Baka Vormawor enene wo se bibia enimu sa se IGP to nensa efre no se sa yekre na no mpeso mo no mo mra mekasa enye bibia ansa bibisa amanakwem Adom TV etwaso
Mfie aduonu mu ani na agbomafia togbe afede a wotoso du nan ebeye wo hene
Victoria trafficking and before that see Tobas nabra ene de toso mienu a occupy Jilobi dwumadie no ekoso nipa se ne mo hwe no onum a woye kire no na etwahia wo hanom a wale da toso mienu ehyehe so enra ye nyina ye nim ye si ya aposifo ekire wonum a na wodi etiaten no anim ekokogu mo ene ye won panimfo ba ku mienu bi ewoko nanim a ye pese ye no atwetwe nkomo
nze enim meeting kro so ni sam kirefo na ehia dia bia na no ene enim hwe
statement amodi ababo ntemonsanka
na statement de unim ye phone wajeje akoto baabi na woni ye kasa wo statement wo mframam ye hu ye ni meeting bia meeting ben ene ye demo ye wi Monday na person hia na waba be e woni ni na hia se ora na ya okasamafo other face the country no kan ye no in Shisha area to 3 days demonstration here you call Jubilee House anymore you continue for 3 days
yawo SDK ewa ha oba abafo ntenta social media dey am say onye obi a oye hoho wo hokra obi a enim no wode ne ho age oye kire mu bi epese ye ne twetwe nkomo
kuntia wa amame wa ne say me so industry ami wo mu no ya yi asesem ne ade no like yeah bre honestly industry ni I say go down ye ni bre ne katashi na di woman still are surviving the to aban ni mo ye bibi man like mo nye investment bi I don't know they can do things so make my bibi say make mu ba ma catch money that so make me election time no make me the one night I road betting on be tale so aye bibi within one night 1 year kede make me nyama make me fix nyama pi
they say you're not necessary because at the end of the day, we were trying to be peaceful and have a peaceful protest and speak our minds and speak how we feel because the way the economy in the country is going, we're all unhappy with it and we have a right to speak our minds and to demonstrate. Why do they want to take that right away from us? It's on my 4 pieces. Like I live in distress. I'm not happy. Yes, my American passports, whenever I feel like, but Ghana is my home. I was born here. This is where I belong. I don't belong in another man's country. I belong here and I'm tired. I'm going through the same thing people are going through. So I should be here and I am here.
Okay. If you are me was Adom TV.